Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. So guys, if you're seeing my video for the first time, my name is Genevieve, and guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I did a Bantu knot, goddess Bantu knot. Alright, so guys, first of all, I'm starting off with parting up my hair. And guys, this is one hardest part in making your hair, parting your hair yourself. It takes a lot of time for me because I always ensure my parts are neat, because I don't like after making my hair the parts are not neat, which it will be very obvious for people to know that I did it myself. But when I make my parts very clean, it is very hard for people to actually know that I did it myself. And sometimes when I go as far as telling people I do my hair myself, or maybe when they ask me, oh wow, your hair is nice, where did you do it? And I tell them I did it myself, they don't believe it until they watch my video or probably see me do it. So guys, yes, whenever you want to start doing your hair yourself, or if you're someone you do your hair yourself, ensure your parts are clean. All right, and for you to do that, you have to spend more time. So here I'm sectioning out the parts first because I did a style, and if I part and do the hair, I'm not gonna get the exact style that I want. Okay, so that was why I parted my hair first to get the style pattern that I want, then before I go on. So guys, I made this video as detailed as possible. I showed how I parted my hair, and then I also showed the style of the parts that I did. So guys, relax and enjoy this video because you are going to learn a lot from this video. So if you're someone you don't really know how to part your hair, I have a detailed video on my channel where you can go and watch how to part your hair by yourself, and also this one as well is very detailed. Okay, so guys, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so here I'm done sectioning out my hair. You see how the part is looking. So guys, I'm showing you the edge control I'm going to be using. It's easier hair wax, and also I'm using a rubber band. And guys, if you're making your hair with a rubber band, you have to ensure you put your rubber bands inside an oil. Okay, ensure you dip it inside an oil so you don't break your hair. So first of all, before I start, I went ahead to comb back my hair and remove all tangles and ensure it's tangle free, and then I go on to apply the edge control. So after applying the edge control, I'll use my comb it out, use my brush, smoothen it before I grab my rubber band and hold it. Okay guys, so once I'm done securing that with a rubber band, I'm gonna head to grab my extension. I'm using Brazilian wool extension, but this one I'm using is like the attachment. It comes in 3 pieces in the pack. Alright, so I'm going on to use my crochet hook and crochet the extension. Alright, so I crocheted extension into 2. Okay, I did one going horizontally and one going vertically. Alright guys, so once I'm done crocheting the hair, I'll go on to fold. Alright, I didn't twist, I did not braid, I folded. Alright, just like I'm doing right now. I'll fold it. When I fold, I'll turn it, okay, like as if I'm twisting the hair round. When I fold, I twist it round on itself. When I fold, I twist it round on itself. Okay, so this is how I was able to achieve this cute Bantu knot hairstyle. Alright, it came out so beautiful. You don't have to miss it. Okay, so watch till the end and see how beautiful this hairstyle came out. Look at this one. Just look at this one I did around. So when I was done, I went ahead to use a rubber band to hold it. It's just for extra security. You can leave it like that. After folding it, you can leave it like that. But if you feel it's not really tight enough, or maybe you feel it can loosen, you can use rubber band and put it. Okay, so for extra security, I use rubber band. So moving into the next, I did the same thing. Comb out my hair, ensure it's tangle free. Apply edge control, use my comb it out, use my brush, smoothen it, and afterwards I'll grab my rubber band and tie it. Okay, just put it in place. After securing my hair with the rubber band, I went ahead to grab my extension with my crochet hook, pass the crochet hook onto my hair, attach the extension onto it, close the lash hook, pull it over and remove it. Okay, crocheting hair is pretty simple, it's not hard. So I did one going horizontally and one going vertically. So afterwards, I ensure my hair is covered, like my real hair is covered with properly with the extension, and then I went ahead to fold. Okay, so when I fold the hair, I wrap it around itself. I fold it, I wrap it around itself to create the knots. Okay, the Bantu knot you're seeing right now. So I'm gonna allow you to watch. I'll be right back. And guys, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed and join this beautiful family. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you get notified on any of my new uploads. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video to your loved ones, your friends, and also comment your thoughts about this hairstyle. Okay, thank you. Yay guys, I'm on the last one. Oh my gosh, like I'm super excited. Like doing this hair was very fun, but at some point my hand, my shoulders started paining me because I was doing a lot of folding, like I was doing a lot of turning of my hand. Oh, it was actually fun to do. Okay, so and now me being in the last one, I was happy about that. Okay, so I went ahead to apply my edge control after I made sure my hair was tangle free. After combing it, apply the edge control. I use my comb it out, and then use brush to smoothing it. After smoothing it, I grabbed my rubber band and tie it, secure it properly, and then I went ahead to crochet the extension. I crochet the extension going horizontally and vertically. Okay guys, so when I was done with that, I went ahead to apply a spray gel on it and use my comb to smoothing it, and then I used rubber band for extra security. Okay, and then guys, this has got to be spray I'm applying because I want it to slay perfectly. This is the coils I'm going to be using for the goddess part. Okay, all right, so I went ahead to cut off the width of the hair, and then I'll apply styling mousse on it to enhance the curls, or rather make the curls to pop properly. Afterwards, I'll go on to tie on my knots that I already made. I went ahead to tie it. When I tie it, I just bring out a little piece that will be dropping. All right, so guys, this is how I was able to achieve the goddess look. You can use extension, you can coil extension if you don't have any coily hair, but I prefer this because it's human hair, and then it was very easy to maintain afterwards. The only thing I need to do when I want to maintain it is just to use a styling mousse, touch it, and then the coil comes back. All right, so but if you don't have any coily hair, you can go on and use their extension. Okay, coil it and crochet it. So guys, this is the final look on this hairstyle. What do you think about this hairstyle? Guys, look at this part. Like, what do you think about this part? I am loving it, and I hope you are too. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you've subscribed to this channel to support me. And also guys, give this video a thumbs up because I slayed. In fact guys, I ate and I left no crumbs. I'll see you in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you. Peace.